Hey everyone, and welcome on back to Whisk and Knives. If this is your first time here, typically I'm showing you a cooking recipe or some type of, like as today, a mixology recipe. And if simple recipes is something that you enjoy, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can see each week when Whisk and Knives here, myself, Topher, and releases a new video. But today, it's actually been a very long week. I actually had to work the holidays because that's what happens when you work in the industry that I do. So I worked Thanksgiving, and then I ended up working quite a many hours the past 2 days, and I just got off from work. So I thought instead of doing a usual cooking recipe, maybe this time I'd do something a little bit different. So today I'm actually going to be showing you how to do a painkiller, traditional as possible. So the first things you're going to need is you're going to need a shaker or a good old mason jar, some ice. We're going to need about 1 ounce of fresh orange juice. And we're going to need not coconut milk, but cream of cocoa, or cream of coconut, I mean. You can get this in the can. That's simple what I did. You just add in a little bit of this. 1 ounce. All recipes will be down that. And then 4 ounces of pineapple juice. I don't have fresh pineapple juice. In fact, you can get the stuff out the can. You can get the stuff in the bottle. You can squeeze your own pineapples if you like, but it's been a long week. And we're using bottled pineapple juice. So for that, then there are many different types of people that will tell you that there are different types of rum that needs to go into this drink. Quite preferably, I've seen it with cruisin' rum, coconut rum. I've seen it with pineapple rum. I've seen it with white rum. I've seen it with dark rum. I've seen it with spiced rum. It doesn't really matter as long as it's a rum that you would typically drink today. Whew, yeah. We got us some artisanal infusion plantation pineapple rum. Picked this up from the store. All right, we're gonna do 2. There are different forms of or levels of the said painkiller. When I first tried this for the first time, I was right after I got off work. I was actually hanging out with a really good friend of mine who watches the episodes. We used to go to Kickback Jacks when we got off work. Why? We'd get off at 11 o'clock at night and you'd go out drinking. We know daggone well you'd be back at work at 9 o'clock in the morning, but that's just what we did. Plus, she's allergic to pineapple juice, and every single time they miss and accidentally put the pineapple juice in hers, I would get the drink for free. So, when I've seen this made, that was probably the first time was at a Kickback Jacks when I saw this made. The different levels, though, are 2 is your level 1. You can add 3 shots. Level 2 painkiller, level 3 painkiller, level 4 painkiller. I mean, if you want to have a level 5 painkiller, go right ahead. More power to you. It's all based on whether or not how your day's been, honestly. That smells good. And we'll just go pour that. This is that's good. Oh, that's real good. This is the cousin, they would say, of the Pina colada. So if you enjoy Pina coladas, you'll probably enjoy this, and you don't have to have a blender for it, which is even better. It's literally 4 ingredients that are always stocked here. So if you've had a long week, some of y'all probably are just going back to work for after the holidays. after the holiday weekend. And some of y'all, if you had to work the holiday weekend, cheers. This is for y'all. It's creamy, pineapple-y, sweet. Got that rum kick. That's a good choice for this. I actually had never had this kind before, but it looked good enough and dark, so I figured why not. So till next time. Again, like I said, if you enjoy these episodes, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to follow. I'll actually be having a foodie lover holiday gift guide coming out in the next couple weeks, right before holidays. Hopefully y'all will enjoy that. It's just me talking about several items that I have, even down to cookbooks and cookware that if I was on your list, I would enjoy them. So if you've got another foodie person on your list, I'm sure they would love them too. Till next time, keep cooking.